Anna Karolkina is bringing us a very beautiful cake design, as simple as that. She's using a silicone mold and white fondant pieces for the first part of the cake decorating. Applying a coat of water before attaching the fondant to secure them well. Repeating the steps until we reach the top part of the cake. Take a moment to admire this creation we did using fondant and a silicone mold, not losing time in painting them using silver shiny edible dust. Moving to the next part of the cake decorating, we will need some edible sheets and we cut them in petal shapes. Wetting them with water and a brush, and then we dry them with a blow dryer. Adding a floral wire as a standing support. For the other details, we use fondant and silicone mold. Attaching the petals one by one and then giving some volume to them. Talking about stunning cakes! Hold on, we have another idea for you. Giving a creative texture to it using a large spatula and then fixing some fondant. Placing it in a silicone mold and cutting out excess with a big sharp knife. Making different shapes, this silicone mold can create amazing designs. Just look at these incredible fondant flowers. Painting them some more using purple edible dust. You can choose your favorite colors. Making the cake look fancier by painting with edible golden paint. Attaching the fondant details on the other side of the cake. It's time to attach the flowers too. They look so pretty. This cake is simply gorgeous.